Today I'm going to show you how to export the character creator 4 model to Blender with face shape keys. To do that, let's choose the model first. Once model have loaded, you just need to choose the profile. So export as FBX and choose Blender as target. To correctly import in Blender, we're gonna use the Blender Auto Setup add-on. You can easily find this in Realization Hub. This will redirect you to the web page where you can download this. So, install the add-on and use the CC pipeline tab to correctly import. After that, you will be able to see your shape keys in the Properties window. You can also see the keyframes in the timeline. You can also use this model with EmotionCap add-on, just clicking Start Capture and recording your animation as keyframes clicking this button. To do that, you just need to map your shape keys with the compatible 2ARKit shape keys. To know more about that, just take a look at the video that will appear at the end of this video on the card. You can export the model without keyframes already. To do that, you just need to choose the different option in FBX export window. In the FBX options, choose mesh and motion option instead mesh and expression sequence. So for today is just it. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.